Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to measure blood oxygen on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. To measure blood oxygen, you'll need to get to the blood oxygen app that you can find by sliding from right to left side of the screen. Then, as you start scrolling down, at some point you'll find blood oxygen. When you click on it, you can click on this button right here, and you should remain still during the blood oxygen measurement. You shouldn't also speak. I'm going to be speaking because I want to say a few more things. You should be I recommend sitting for at least 10 minutes before starting the test. I also recommend making sure that you sit straight and relaxed with your feet touching the ground, and that you aren't moving, aren't talking during the measurement. Then it'll give you the result. You can also measure it in another way by going to one-tap measurement feature, and that will measure not only the blood oxygen but also the heart rate, the breathing rate, and the stress level. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.